For many years I've wandered like a hobo drifting through the night. I rode that long black train of sin, and I could not see the light. But then I saw the headlight, yes I did, and I made a switch of track, yes I did. Well, I just got off of that devil's train, and I'm not looking back. Oh, yeah. Well, I just got off of that devil's train, and I'm not looking back. Well, I just got off of that devil's train on that glory track. Well, I saw the headlight of salvation, and I want to tell it to every nation. Just got off of that devil's train, and I'm not looking back. And the curves along life's way. Oh, Christ is my conductor, and He guides me every day. Oh, my Savior bought my ticket on the cross of Calvary, and I just got off of that devil's train and traveling with the free. Well, I just got off of that devil's train. I'm not looking back. Just got off of that devil's train. On that glory track, I saw the headlight of salvation, and I want to tell it to every nation. Just got off of that devil's train, and I'm not looking back. Just got off of that devil's train, I'm not looking back. Oh, I just got off of that devil's train, and I'm on that glory track. I saw the headlight of salvation, and I want to tell it to every nation. Just got off of that devil's train, and I'm not looking back.
Just got off that devil's train, and I'm not looking back.